Hello everyone, so in this video I would like to share the work that we already finished in the HOLDEN BARINA, and this one, HOLDEN BARINA 2012, generation 2011 and 2016. We already have other videos showing how to remove the factory head unit before, and you should be able to follow that easy in another video. Now we already finished the 9-inch full package wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and with the full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera. And now is everything perfectly fit in, everywhere matching, and sliding in perfect. The color is really matching to the dash, so yeah, it looks like factory fit. And it also has the pocket over here. And what else I should mention is that the steering wheel control, those buttons are working very well, except there's one button on the top here, it doesn't send signal, but all other buttons, they're working very nice. And on the screen here, you're seeing here is wireless Android Auto with our Android phone recording this video. Talking about the reverse camera, it's already fit very nice at the back end tailgate, and also we already get the dynamic steering wheel guide activate. So what it means is when we reverse, you quickly see the camera like this, okay, and you see the dynamic guideline working straight over there. So just so easy and so good and so clear. Okay, at this moment it is night time outside, it's dark. Definitely you don't see this one with the human eyes, but now it's so clear behind. And yep, that is nighttime driving backward with the reverse camera with it. So that's how it is. And yeah, so it comes back straight to the previous application screen. Oh, that's perfect. And yep, everything's done. So HOLDEN BARINA 2012, and thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.